Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to do the reading about Gemini. What is the tarot guidance for our friends who are of the zodiac sign Gemini? Please remember, this is a general reading. If you wish to have your specific reading, then you can reach out to me either through my website, which is awakeningwithshalu.com, and book your session, or you can call me on 99304 So let's see what the tarot guidance for 2025 is for our friends who are Gemini, whether it's related to their health, wealth, relationship, or career. All right. So, in terms of your health, the cards are saying that over the period, or over the past few months, or maybe a year, you have been really, really working hard on your, you know, opportunities that you're working on or your work, and it's really, really stressing you out. The card is saying, and the guidance they're giving to you is you need to start listening to what your body is saying. It is important to be perfectionist, but at the same time, you need to start delegating. And this is the guidance for you that you need to start balancing in terms of how much importance you want to give to your health and how much you want to push forward to strain your body or take it on yourself. The good part is start delegating. You do have people, but trust is important. Only do things which is right, really, really important, that you need to take care of, which you want things to be done right. Only involve yourself in those where you can't go wrong. But for the other things, you can also let your team take, grow and take more responsibilities. I hope you can understand what I'm saying. In terms of your wealth, well, I think you are getting recognized in your work and people are liking what you're doing, and soon maybe you will get more contracts if you are in the business, and maybe new projects which will get you more success. In terms of your relationship, if you are in the initial stages of your relationship, then the cards are saying that it is time that you take it to the next step. That's the guidance you have, because it's a very beautiful relationship. If you are single, then the cards are saying that maybe your past experiences or anything, what is stopping you from taking a new step to move forward in your life. I do understand that you may have responsibilities, you may have career, you may have other things to take care of, or you may even think that it's already past you, I have things to take care of, or whether he'll understand or not. But the cards are saying, if your past experiences are the ones who are now not letting you go forward, or you think you have responsibilities, just have the conversation with people that you're seeing or you should see, to put yourself outside in the open, to say that you're looking for a companion, and be clear about your aspirations and what your responsibilities are and what you are looking into this relationship. But do look into it. In terms of your work, now if you are someone who is just going to start your career, then the cards are saying that you may be having a lot of ideas of what you need to do, because you're just starting your career. This is what I should, and the cards are guiding you that in 2025, just be clear about what is a good ambitious thinking and what is logical to start with. And it is really important at a young age, that we think that we can fantasize about everything and everything is doable, but be little little bit aware of what is doable. If you're already working, and if you are in a career where you already have few experiences, or you have been in a career for quite some time, then there are many opportunities coming your way. Just use the wisdom to ensure that you choose a project or a career or a new job which is really closest to your goal or your personal goal that you have for yourself. I hope you like this reading, and if you do, please like and subscribe to my channel at Awakening with Shalu on YouTube. You could also reach out to me for your personal session by going to awakeningwithshalu.com and book your session, or send me a WhatsApp message on 99304 76802. Happy working.